What's up, YouTube? Just kind of a video to quickly get your attention. We have here Eli Lilly. Calls were up 20,000% today. Um, Before you go, they just showed us after the fact, or they didn't hold, or whatever. It mostly held up today, 14,500% by the end of the day by close. What else did we have on the day? Well, let's take a look. We had Starbucks 200%. We were well prepared for Starbucks today, guys, in the Discord. We had Schwab 255%. You'd actually be up 500% there because I started talking about it at when it was like up 50. But 250 divided 50 is 5x. So you can look at it that way. You have to be good with percents to understand options and stuff, guys. AMD, guys, 160% at one point. And then finally, EL, Estee Lauder. This is one I'm the most proud of. Not the other one because that wasn't really, it's big pharma. It's kind of hit or miss with that. This one was called out in the Discord. I had called this out, let people know on Monday that this was going to be something to take a position on. 7,340%. And you could have even have gotten real early on this because it, as you can see, I kind of take screenshots throughout the day. It worked its way up, okay? It worked its way all the way up throughout the day. And just to toss a receipt out there, here is, so this was May 1st, 8 in the morning, Estee Lauder, total scam. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you puts and or I'm not telling you to buy or sell, but I do stuff like actually, you know what? Let's listen. I do go CVS bearish, and I explain why. I said they're leaving San Francisco, they're leaving Seattle. People are stealing from them. What happened? It went down. So why don't we just real time it? I don't know what it ended the day. I really don't. But so it was down. How much was it? 70%. You're not going to go super far out of the money on that probably. So all of these have expected move ranges, okay? What else do we got? I think we showed that Starbucks in there. It was after hours. Yeah, AMD and Starbucks, okay? Bearish. And this one, AMD. I'll just give you my explanation there. NVIDIA has returned to absolute dominance. Like before the market, so how that trades, let me zoom. Okay. So been a market favorite ever since NVIDIA said that they would have a chip delay. AMD, guys, used to be 40 bucks. 40 bucks chip delay. Now NVIDIA returned to absolute dominance. It's like 300 bucks. By and large, these are worse chips than Intel and worse than NVIDIA. And they have a little bit of market share, but when I personally buy computers, I don't look for stuff that's brand new and already obsolete. And what I mean by that is NVIDIA is just way better than them. Their cards suck and their processors suck. So bearish, okay? You could have made a couple 100% on that, right? A couple 100% is a lot of money, guys. So you literally hope to get that on every play you ever enter. I'm hoping to get 5, let alone 100 or 7,000 like Eli Lilly or Estee Lauder, some junker top name brand. I keep showing calls. Like end of the day, super low. You got to take profits on that morning dump. But even if you held all day, you weren't sure what to do. You're up 600, 800%. It's crazy. If you're not in a group right now, guys, if you're not in a group somewhere that knows this stuff, understands this stuff, is talking about this stuff, you should join my Discord. The link is below here. Please don't join through YouTube. Don't do it. It's a pain in the ass. It's not connected to Discord properly. It doesn't work. It's a pain. Holy cow! Starbucks went all the way up to 300% by close. $104. We were watching it throughout the day, but as the Fed started speaking, I wasn't really paying that much attention to it because most people had cashed out by that time. 375. Wow. Okay, so did you make that today? If the answer is no, join the Discord. Have you ever made 7,000%? If the answer is no, join the Discord. If you don't believe me that people are doing it, let's go to the gains. Okay, let's go to the gains. Here's a person that made 135% on multiple plays. Meta puts 135%, just a quick swing. Here is 425%er. No big deal. Uber calls 425%. Okay. We had some almost 1,600% yesterday. Now this guy made 35,000 profit just in one day. Okay, and he shows it all. Again, if you want to see it all, it's in the Discord. But he's showing like realized profit 13,000, 9,400 on a different trade. He's got 4 trades there. Here's 1,000% gainer. If you don't make these kinds of returns, join the Discord. If you don't like it, you can cancel. You're not bound for life. So, what's $20 or $70, like $69 if you want to be premium? What's that if I can save you money or make you money? It's nothing. Let me do the math here for you guys. 20 divide 30.5. Yeah? Sorry. 20 divide 30.5 is 66 cents a day. 66 cents a day for standard and $2.26 a day for premium. And that means you can DM me, ask me questions, spitball. You get free classes on the weekends when we run them. Like you just join up for free. They're like 2 or 3 hours. Hundreds of percent. Here's 645. We go by percents because percent is what matters. 200%. 200% for this individual. Army. And here's another guy, 200%. Where's Gills? 200% for Gills. So we're able to create quick, rapid wealth, guys. Obviously, there's risk. We try to mitigate the risk. So to explain that, I'm going to talk about Wayfair in another video. So if you want to understand how I can show you how you can play plays with ultra mitigated risk, we're talking less than 1/100th of a percent, guys. I'm talking all the way down here in the money probability, less than 1/100th of a percent. $500. I hope to make $500 by tomorrow morning, and I'm going to explain that in the next video. I don't want to put it all in one video. So if you're interested in knowing how to do that, check that video out. Join the Discord. Hope you had a good trading day, guys. That Fed speak was it was wild and retarded. Not fun, not enjoyable. We're in some crazy times with the market, guys, but especially if you're lost a bunch of money on AMC, lost a bunch of money on Bed Bath & Beyond. I said to short it from $30. Do 30, divide 6 cents, guys. This is how much percent you would have made if you listened to me on Bed Bath & Beyond. 50,000%. You could have sold it at 30 and bought it back for 6 cents. MULN, Guard Force AI, GFAI, total scam, down 60% overnight. Going long is not the way, guys. Buy, hold, pray, sell, not the way. Join the Discord.